Have you ever been to the grocery store with your mom or dad? It's so big and exciting. There are so many things to see and buy. Now you can have your own grocery store at home. It's going to be so much fun. We can learn all about the different kinds of foods, how to shop for them, and even how to use money. Are you ready for an adventure? Let's get started. Our pretend grocery store is going to be more than just a game. We're going to learn important things while we play. We'll learn about healthy foods like fruits and vegetables. We can learn how to pick out the best ones. We can even learn how to count money when we pay for our groceries. Our pretend grocery store will be a fun way to learn new things. Let's build our very own grocery store. We can use boxes and blankets to make different sections. Let's have a fruit section, a vegetable section, a dairy section, and more. We can even make signs to tell everyone what goes where. Don't forget to make a checkout counter. We can use a small table and some paper bags. Now our grocery store is starting to look real. What's a grocery store without food? We can use our toys to be our food. Toy fruits, vegetables, boxes of pretend cereal, and even play milk cartons will work perfectly. We can put prices on them using stickers or pieces of paper. Now we can arrange our food in our grocery store. Let's put the fruits together, the vegetables together, and so on. Our store is ready for customers. Section 5. Let's go shopping. It's time to go shopping. We can use our toy shopping carts or baskets to collect our food. Let's pretend to be shoppers. We can pick out the foods we want to buy and put them in our carts. Don't forget to look at our shopping lists. Mommy or Daddy can help us write down the things we need. We can learn how to find the things on our list in the store. Section 6. Shopping with money. Now it's time to pay for our groceries. We can use play money to practice counting. Mommy or Daddy can be the cashier. They can tell us how much everything costs and we can count out the money. Paying for things helps us learn about numbers. It also teaches us about the value of things. Isn't it fun to be a grown-up shopper? Section 7. Mommy and Daddy can play too. Mommy and Daddy can join in the fun too. They can be the customers, the cashiers, or even the stock clerks who put out new food in the store. It's more fun when everyone plays together. Mommy and Daddy can also teach us about different kinds of foods. They can help us learn which foods are healthy and which ones we should eat in moderation. Section 8. Safety and sharing for everyone. Just like in a real grocery store, we need to be careful in our pretend store. We don't want to bump into each other with our shopping carts. And remember to share the toys and take turns being the cashier. When we play together nicely, everyone has more fun. Our pretend grocery store is a happy place to learn and play. Section 9. Our grocery store is fun for everyone. Wow, we've had so much fun in our pretend grocery store. We've learned about different foods, how to shop, and even how to use money. It's amazing how much we can learn while we play. We can use our imaginations to create all sorts of fun scenarios in our grocery store. The possibilities are endless. So let's keep playing and learning together in our very own grocery store.